Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert video to audio on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, find the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Open it, then tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Tap the name at the top and rename it to something like Audio Converter. Press Done. Next, tap Search Actions, type Encode Media, and select Encode Media. Now select the gray media icon and choose Shortcut Input. After that, tap on Nowhere and enable the Show in Share Sheet feature. Tap the arrow on Encode Media, expand it, and switch on Audio Only. Now tap Search again, select Save File, and press Done. Now, find the video you want to convert. Tap the Share button in the bottom left and scroll down to find your shortcut. Choose where you want to save the audio file. Once saved, go to the Files app to find your audio file. It will be saved as an audio-only version of the original video. So that's basically how you can convert video to audio on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.